It's very bright out. I should wear my douche glasses, as many of you guys called it. But anyway, I'm here with my good friend Nick. Nick's a buddy of mine for, I don't know, 10 years now. And Nick used to have a Hellcat, a Challenger Hellcat that had made like 800 wheel horsepower or something like that. It's since been gone, but today I brought him to South OC Cars and Coffee, and we are well entertained. And it just started about 2 minutes ago. Lots of cars out, and I told Nick I'll bring out to the show today and show off some of these nice cars.
Oh yeah, it's great.
How was your riding with the Viper?
Amazing. It's like in a space shuttle.
So he was in my TA a few times before, but never been in the ACR. You feel a difference?
Oh, big time.
It's so stiff, right?
Yeah.
Different feel. We'll see. Maybe he'll drive it today. We'll see.
Oh, I got it. I got it.
We're looking at a full carbon GTR. And the good man over here swore that it was not wrapped, and it isn't wrapped. It's really carbon, every panel. How much weight did you save with this?
Almost 500 pounds.
Wow. Wow.
It also took like, what, 2 years? 20 months in order to construct it.
Wow.
Thousands of manpower hours. Thousands of manpower.
And what kind of engine mods do you have to this thing?
Nothing, just exhaust full catback and then carbon ceramic brakes.
Is this what you do for work, or are you in the fabrication business?
No, I'm an attorney.
Wow. Dude, look at the freaking hood scoop on this thing.
Yeah.
So usually, you know, like this you see in movies like Hangover, but you get one here.
Just real chill. Hi, buddy.
Is it a male or a female?
It's a female. It's my first female. She's number 6. I've had 5 in 20 years.
Oh my
It'll last
goodness.
about 4 or 5 years.
Wow.
She's my first female because there was no male.
Hey there.
Because I've always heard the females are harder to train.
Are they?
She's
It's like usual in life. Females are harder to train, you know?
I mean, I've had 5 other ones in there. It's easy to teach her stuff. She's just been a slow learner.
Oh, she's just chilling.
She's a sweetheart, though.
They do a lot of sleeping, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sleep. I mean, their natural pattern is sleep for 4 hours, get up for an hour, look for something to eat, sleep for 4 hours, get up for an hour.
It's like a koala.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What? She's still getting
She has a pretty cool little pet.
She's still figuring it out.
How old is she?
7 months.
No, little one.
Little one.
Yeah.
She's having a hard time with Dad wants to go this way and I need to follow him. She just wants to go wherever she wants to go.
See you later, man.
See ya.
What's your pet?
We can't talk about it.
We're in Mexico. She's dragging you around? Dude, I can't put this on. I can't put this on YouTube. PETA's gonna call. They're gonna call PETA on my ass.
PETA for sure.
What up? Welcome back to Civilization. What's up, Mitch? How are you guys?
Good, how are you?
Car looks great.
Thank you.
You got your stickers on. You like your new car?
I do, but I hate it.
You broke it in well?
I do.
Is that yours up there, Mitch? The Lambo? Oh, so yeah. And as you guys know, I'm a Viper guy. I am in a. This is a 99. I am in a 1999 Dodge Viper Hennessy 650R. Yes, I am. And there's the wing to show it. Check this thing out. It's a cherry. Sounds amazing. Let me.
And I told my girl I'ma be up till the morning. Feeling like I'm 2-3, cause you know I'm zoning. Shawty got away, we been chilling by the ocean. Now I got a.
There's a familiar face. Last time I was with this guy, I raced the whole world, so today we're gonna try to do the same.
We're gonna repeat it.
We're at a meet this morning with quite a few cars, lots of horsepower cars, lots of exotic cars, Lamborghinis. Oh, we have a Ford GT. I didn't even notice this thing. How did I miss this? My God. You guys saw the Viper over there earlier. McLarens everywhere, Aston Martin, Audi R8s, and there's a really, really sweet 720S McLaren parked right next to my car. So we'll go look at that in a second. But we won't be driving with these folks today, unfortunately. We're gonna catch them on the next rally. We have an obligation to go to a different rally, and it's gonna be going all the way out to Palm Springs. So that'll also be a fun drive from Upland to Palm Springs, about 130 miles on that route. So it's gonna be a good drive. Stay tuned. We're gonna get some good action. We get some B-roll. Enjoy that. We'll start with the 720S.
What's up guys, Bilko here, the vlog takeover with Mr. Suited Racer. I know my car is way more fantastic looking than his neon whatever arts and crafts wrap that he has going on.
Come on, let's go outside.
Go outside for what?
We gonna fight.
We need to talk about Suited Racer for like 2 seconds. First of all, if you guys haven't subscribed already and you're watching his channel, what are you doing? That's like going over to someone's house for dinner and then telling them that their dinner sucks. You gotta hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. This dude is all in on his channel. He's uploading constantly. He's doing all kinds of crazy car stuff for you guys. And he is really dedicated to his YouTube game, as am I. Now, the difference between him and all these other car people out here is that he actually has a passion for cars, and he's one of the few people that likes to actually share these cars with his friends. So if you're one of his friends like I am, you get to do stuff like go to rallies like this or go out to track events. And he loves to share the car versus flex the car, which is a rarity here in Los Angeles. If you're not already sold on why you should subscribe to Suited Racer's channel, he's got content in the works out for like months of uploaded content. So it's never gonna run dry. You're always gonna have new stuff to watch. And he's always at the best events in LA. So whenever I see that neon Crayola of a car pull up, I know it's gonna be a good event. Oh yeah, and follow me of course. Hey, put my handle right here, Suited Racer. It's Bilko. Catch you the next episode. Peace.
Feeling like I'm 2-3, 'cause you know I'm zoning. Shawty got away, we been chilling by the ocean. Till the morning, feeling like I'm 2-3, 'cause you know I'm zoning. Shawty got away, we been chilling by the ocean. Now I got a big drop top and I'm rolling. And I told my girl I'ma be up till the morning. Feeling like I'm 2-3, 'cause you know I'm zoning. Shawty got away, we been chilling by the ocean. I told her my way, what can I say? Ooh, I got them looking at me sideways. I can't take no days off. They know I can't take no days off. They know
Yeah, my friends can't maintain their cars, huh? No, it wasn't, Callie.
Yesterday. Literally my wheels were clean yesterday.
Yeah.
I'm on a winning streak right now, so.
Who, you?
Yes.
You're fighting the wrong people.
many chances I done gave. I've been working hard, dog, I think I need a raise. Said I couldn't do it, but I told my girl to pipe down. Need it right now. Lately I've been going till the lights out. Got my face up and my eyes down. Shorty, now you know what this is like now. Now I got a big drop top and I'm rolling. And I told my girl I'ma be up till the morning. Feeling like I'm 2-3, 'cause you know I'm zoning. Shorty got a wave, we been chilling by the ocean. Now I got a big drop top and I'm rolling. And I told my girl I'ma be up till the morning. Feeling like I'm 2-3, 'cause you know I'm zoning. Shorty got a wave, we been chilling by the ocean.
Yeah. I've been buying 40 once I heard the 36s. I can tell 100 stacks by I am a mathematician. Just when many plays up from my dealer.
All right, well, looks like it's about that time. The V's getting some action. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. A little tested, a little tested. Okay. Jesus Christ. Hey. Just go whenever. I mean, it's not slow. No, it's not. It's quick. He has a disappointment in his eyes. So, we're gonna have to call it a day. We had one W today. We picked up the dub against our buddy in the Cadillac. And Chris is gonna be kind enough to supply that footage for us. Absolutely. Enjoy. We gave him about a 1-car head start, and then we pulled him back in, and then it was game over for him. But it looks like we had a Hellcat coming up on the left side. Should we send it? I don't see why not. Is it a Hellcat or is it a Scat Pack? Ah, it's a Scat Pack. Shucks. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. See you guys next time.